it gets really freezing cold because of all the Lake Michigan. That's a very cold stretch. So Lake Michigan से जो भी winds आती हैं, that hits Chicago, Indiana, Ohio. It
Purdue University, there are many cases of hypothermia. There is one case कि किसी roommate ने अपने roommate को मार दिया. One of the student was apparently Indian. Or like many of these cases are coming. So for you coming from Purdue University, what do you think is happening?
I feel like there's a few things happening. The hypothermia case could be, from what the initial reports have been saying, is because maybe there was some underage drinking involved, right? And those folks, because it was underage drinking, they were out, and Midwest is really cold. Midwest mein we had minus 20, or actually we had a very cold weather, minus 40 Celsius ऐसा कुछ गया था.
हाँ, मुझे याद है आपने boiling water फेंका और वो भी freeze हो जाता है, इतनी ठंड.
Yes. Even last year it happened. Last year it happened. It gets really freezing cold because of all the Lake Michigan. That's a very cold stretch. So Lake Michigan से जो भी winds आती हैं, that hits Chicago, Indiana, Ohio. It gets really cold. So if you're drinking, your body is telling you that you're warm enough, and maybe you're going without a jacket, and you lost your way. Maybe you had too much to drink and you lost your conscious and you passed out outside. There's a very high chance that you will die because of hypothermia, because your body is getting so cold, and it's not livable there at all during the cold months if you're not inside. Even all the homeless population probably moves to the west during winters just because they can't survive the winters. It's just so cold. Somebody one of the students actually murdered the other student, stabbed them to death. That is a one-off case, right? We can't really predict what somebody else can do. Maybe that person was going through some mental health. Maybe, you just can't predict. It's what a person can do. I just can't predict. If it's a roommate, right? I trust that person. That's why it's my roommate. And a roommate, you see them more than you see your own family. It was a very odd case. I don't know how it happened, why it happened. But yeah, mental health, I've been always telling, I've made so many videos about seasonal depression also, during winters, where you don't see sun for a while, there's so much snow. Seasonal depression will crawl in. 4 बजे अंधेरा हो जा रहा है, सुबह 8 बजे तक अंधेरा है, तो आपको सूरज नहीं दिख रहा है, उजाला नहीं दिख रहा है, you will get into seasonal depression. That's what happens to a lot of people in Canada also. We need to talk about it more, and we need to make people more aware about it.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, if you don't have the right people around you, right friends, it's really difficult to survive. मुझे लगता है कि I got very blessed कि I'm a very extroverted person. मेरे लिए friends बुलाना, बात करना मुश्किल नहीं था. So I never felt that kind of, even during winters. यहाँ पे भी अटलांटा में भी कई बार 1 महीने तक 2 महीने तक sun नहीं होता. But I feel lucky. But people who are introverts, I think they need to think about it.
They need to sort of forceful. I keep telling everybody, so I've done recruiting for my company for a few times, where I've gone to Purdue, hired people from Purdue, they used to hire me. So I tell everybody who I met there, just if you're an introvert, you don't have a choice. You'll have to get out there and you'll have to talk to people. कोई option ही नहीं है. If you're not going to do that, you can just go back to India, because you'll never end up getting a job. The more you talk to people, the more you understand how things work here, how recruitment works here. The more connections you'll build, the more higher chances you have. Unless you're super talented, of course you'll get hired. But majority तो bell curve ऐसा है ना कि majority is in the middle. सबकी profiles भी same है, तो how are you going to stand out then?